Welcome to Life-Changing Tales. Today, we're diving into a question on many minds: will AI replace human jobs? Let's explore the future of work in an AI-driven world. AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented rate. From manufacturing to healthcare, AI's capabilities in automating tasks, analyzing data, and making decisions are becoming indispensable. This technological advancement is raising concerns about job displacement. But is AI really here to take over all human jobs? Yes, AI will replace certain jobs, particularly those involving repetitive and routine tasks. Jobs in data entry, assembly line work, and even some administrative roles are already being automated. However, history shows us that technological advancements also create new job opportunities. Just as the internet led to the creation of jobs we couldn't have imagined, AI is likely to do the same. AI will transform job roles rather than eliminate them entirely. For example, in healthcare, AI can handle data analysis, freeing up doctors to spend more time with patients. In customer service, AI chatbots can handle basic inquiries, allowing human agents to tackle more complex issues. This shift means that while some jobs will disappear, others will evolve and improve. The key to thriving in an AI-driven world is adaptability. Workers need to embrace lifelong learning and continuously update their skills. Fields like data science, AI development, and cybersecurity are booming and will continue to grow. Upskilling and reskilling will be crucial to staying relevant in the job market. AI excels at tasks requiring speed, accuracy, and data analysis, but it lacks emotional intelligence, creativity, and complex problem-solving skills. These human traits are irreplaceable. Jobs that require empathy, strategic thinking, and innovation will always need a human touch. Roles in creative arts, strategic leadership, and mental health care are examples where humans will continue to excel. The future is not about humans versus AI, but humans working alongside AI. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are already working with humans on factory floors, enhancing productivity and safety. In the office, AI can assist with tasks like scheduling and data analysis, allowing humans to focus on strategic decision-making and creative work. So, will AI replace human jobs? Yes, some jobs will be automated, but this shift will also create new opportunities. The future of work lies in our ability to adapt, learn new skills, and collaborate with AI. Embracing these changes will help us navigate the evolving job landscape and unlock new potentials for innovation and growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on technology and the future of work. Remember, the key to success in an AI-driven world is adaptability and continuous learning.